Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Channel. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. It's great to be with you again.
Alex, how are you today? Feeling ready?
I'm doing really well, calm and focused. How about you?
I'm good and a little excited to talk with our listeners.
If you enjoy simple, friendly English lessons, please subscribe and tap like. It helps our learner community grow.
Today's topic is feelings, how to talk about your emotions in clear English.
By the end, you'll know natural words and sentences you can use every day.
Let's start positive. Happy.
I feel happy when the morning is quiet and my tea is hot.
I feel happy when a friend sends a short message. How are you? Quick practice. I feel happy when. Your turn.
The opposite is sad. It's normal to feel sad sometimes.
I feel sad when plans change and I can't meet a friend.
I feel sad when someone I love is sick. It's okay to say it.
Useful line. I'm a little sad today. Simple and honest.
Now, a very common feeling, tired.
There is physical tired and mental tired. After a long day, I feel physically tired.
After studying for hours, I feel mentally tired. My brain says, break, please.
Phrases. I'm exhausted. Or I need a short rest.
Now to body signals, hungry and thirsty.
I get hungry if I skip breakfast. I want something warm, maybe soup.
After a run, I'm very thirsty. I need water right away.
A strong, hot feeling is angry.
I feel angry when my computer freezes during work.
I feel angry when someone talks while I'm speaking. Tip: breathe, then speak calmly.
Helpful line. I'm a bit angry. Can we talk about it?
Now a bright, energetic feeling, excited.
I feel excited before a trip or when a friend visits this weekend.
I feel excited to try a new restaurant. I check the menu and smile.
Say, I'm excited about plus your plan.
Now a protective feeling, scared.
A sudden thunder at night can make me feel scared for a moment.
Or a big dog runs toward you, you feel scared, then you check it's friendly.
Helpful line. That scared me, or I felt scared for a second.
Now a slow, empty feeling, bored.
Waiting at the doctor with nothing to do, I feel bored.
Doing the same easy task again and again, also bored.
Tip: listen to a short podcast or read 2 pages to wake up your brain.
Now a quick, bright feeling, surprised.
I feel surprised when I meet an old friend at the supermarket. Wow, hi.
Or when someone says, nice jacket, a good surprise.
Let's build useful sentences you can copy.
Positive. I'm happy today. Or I'm excited about Friday.
Neutral. I'm okay, just a bit tired.
Negative, but polite. I'm a little sad. Or I'm frustrated with my laptop.
Asking others. How are you feeling today? Or how do you feel about that?
Mini-dialogue 1. Short check-in.
How are you feeling today?
I'm a little tired, but happy to be here.
Thanks for telling me. Do you need a break?
A quick glass of water would be perfect.
Language tip. Add a little, a bit, really, very, before feelings to show strength.
Examples: a bit hungry, really excited, very tired.
Mini-dialogue 2. sharing and responding kindly.
I'm feeling sad today. I miss my family.
I'm sorry you feel that way. Do you want to talk about it?
Thanks. A short call with them will help.
Quick repeat after us.
I feel happy when.
I'm a bit tired today.
I'm excited about.
That scared me.
I'm bored. Let's take a break.
Nice.
Before we continue, a gentle reminder. If this podcast helps you, please subscribe and like. It supports more free lessons for learners around the world.
Ready for more? Let's keep going.
Let's add feelings for work and study. Stressed and relaxed.
I feel stressed when I have 5 tasks and one short deadline.
I feel relaxed after a walk and a warm shower.
Useful lines. I feel stressed. I need to plan. Or, I feel relaxed now.
Another pair, confident and nervous.
I feel confident when I practice before a presentation.
I feel nervous before a big meeting, but deep breaths help.
Try, I'm a bit nervous, but I'm ready.
Let's group feelings by body signals to remember them.
Fast heartbeat, maybe excited, nervous, or scared.
Slow body and heavy eyes, tired or bored.
Smiles and light shoulders, happy or relaxed.
Mini-dialogue 3. Small talk that feels real.
How are you feeling about the weekend trip?
I'm excited, but a little nervous about the long drive.
We can take breaks and share the driving.
Good idea. I feel better already.
Useful reaction phrases when someone shares a feeling.
Thanks for telling me.
That makes sense.
I understand.
How can I help?
Polite ways to set a boundary when you feel overwhelmed.
I'm a bit tired. Can we talk later?
I need 5 minutes to reset.
I can't do this today, but I can tomorrow.
Quick pronunciation help.
Tired is tired, 2 beats.
Bored has a long or.
Excited is excited.
Nervous is nervous.
Speed practice, repeat.
How are you feeling today?
I'm okay, just a bit tired.
I'm really happy for you.
That surprised me.
I'm stressed. I need a plan.
I feel relaxed now.
Mini scene at work.
You look tired. Are you okay?
I'm a little stressed about the deadline.
Let's make a small plan. 3 steps only.
Great. I already feel calmer.
Mini scene with a friend.
I'm bored at home.
Let's take a short walk and listen to music.
Perfect. That will help my mood.
Tiny toolkit. 3 steps when a feeling is strong.
1. Name it. I feel angry.
2. Normalize it. It's okay to feel this.
3. Next step. I'll take a short break and drink water.
Big review. Say it with us.
Happy, sad, tired, hungry, thirsty.
Angry, excited, scared, bored, surprised.
Stressed, relaxed, confident, nervous.
Ask kindly, how are you feeling today?
Share honestly. I feel.
Respond kindly. Thanks for telling me. That makes sense.
Homework. In the comments, write 2 sentences. 1. How you feel today and why. 2. 1 sentence to check on a friend. For example, how are you feeling about the exam?
We read and reply. Your practice helps other learners too.
If this episode helped, please subscribe and like to support our growing learner community and share this with a friend.
May your English grow and your heart feel light. Take care of yourself today.
Thank you for listening to English Channel.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.